day and making sure we had a very effective district team training seminar. I would like to make special mention that at that time, Yvonne and Mon were still presidents-elect, but then were helping organize the event like professionals. These two great clubs is full of talented, committed Rotarians with a heart to serve. And again, thank you very much. Maganda ang buwan naman ninyo. All the succeeding seminars were all very successful. Thank you again. During the district team training seminar last February 14, I mentioned my favorite quote by Henry Ford. He said, "Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success." What we have here tonight is proof of this. And this reminds me of the saying, birds of a feather flock together. When two people stick together, there is a common bond that binds them. And as the old saying goes, birds of a feather flock together. This is a time-tested truth. The only exception, perhaps, is when a deaf man is married to a blind woman. A wise man once said, the happiest marriage he could think of is the marriage between a deaf man and a blind woman. But for that, I leave that to your imagination. Tonight, your joint induction is not a marriage of that sort. It is a partnership between two great clubs. I have asked myself what it is that binds your two clubs together, and I found the answer to this question. You have an enduring friendship and you share intense passions for bringing positive change to the communities you serve. Providence has destined your two clubs to hold this joint induction tonight. With this in mind, let me explore where your passions belong. Let me start with the Rotary Club of Cavite East. Since the birth of your charter in 1979, you have built your strong foundations for service in the area of literacy. And this has been made possible through your perseverance in acquiring a 405 square meter lot where now stands your own two-story building, which serves as your meeting place and a public library open to all, for the heat and the rain or shiver during the night. Out there, my friends, are people who are unsure about their tomorrow. Let us seek out these poor people and show them that Rotarians share in their dreams and care about their tomorrow. Let us continue without let up to lift people out of poverty and hunger, so that once lifted, they too can fly and join our flock. They too can grow feathers like yours, like ours, but only if we find them and show them how. Tonight, we are all here to show our support and confidence in our two visionary presidents, Mon and Yvonne. So I ask Visionary President Mon and Visionary President Yvonne to lead your clubs like no one has ever led before. This year, the challenge of helping people stand on their own is much greater than in the past. We must help secure their future and make their tomorrows bright and beautiful. To attain that, we must secure the future of Rotary so that it can continue its noble work of touching lives. As leaders of the Rotary Club of Cavite East and the Rotary Club of SEPS, not only to our visionary presidents but to all the members, the future of Rotary is in your hands. Maraming salamat po.
Knowing by heart its accomplishments of the Rotary Club of Cavite East and Rotary Club of SEPS. Palakpakan po ulit natin our visionary governor, Connie Beltran. Next to our district governor, may I call on BIP President Mon Miranda, as well as Visionary President Yvonne Nakazawa for the presentation of the token of appreciation.
Rotary Club of Cavite East, and I'm really proud to be a member of the Rotary Club of Cavite East.
Of course,
this is in cooperation with the District 3830. They have 600 students and they need 3 sacks of rice a day. So instead of tokens, I requested the presidents to give me 1 sack each during their inductions, but they're giving more, and I'm so glad. Today we have 5 sacks from SEPS and 5 sacks from